In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your 1099 Q form into Turbotax. This short tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, making it easy to complete your tax filing efficiently and correctly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the official Turbotax website. It's crucial to ensure that you're on the official site to avoid any phishing scams or incorrect portals. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. If you already have an account, this is where you'll want to log in using your usual credentials. If you're new to TurboTax, you will need to create an account, but for today's purposes, let's assume you're already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the TurboTax home screen. From here, look for an option labeled Federal. Click on this to begin entering your federal tax information. This step is where you initiate the process of adding various tax documents, including your 1099-Q. Next, you should see a section titled Wages and Income. Clicking on this will open many different categories of income sources. Although you are entering a 1099-Q, which is specific to educational distributions, you will start by selecting the Miscellaneous Income option. This can sometimes be a bit confusing because one might expect a specific 1099-Q category. However, TurboTax groups various information under broader categories for simplicity. When you're in the Wages and Income category, continue by typing Miscellaneous into the search box. This action helps streamline the search process and quickly takes you to the relevant section, saving you time scrolling through your options. You'll see Miscellaneous Income 1099A, 1099C come up. This might seem a little broad, but rest assured this is the right path. You'll now see a Start button. Clicking this will lead you to fill in the detailed information for your 1099-Q. Remember, this section consolidates many income types, so follow the on-screen prompts to specify that you're entering details for a 1099-Q. Finally, click on Miscellaneous Income once again to confirm you are in the right area and finalize your entries. Ensure all the information matches your physical 1099-Q statement, as accuracy is vital for proper tax filing. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to enter your 1099-Q form into TurboTax. Remember that tax preparation can often feel daunting, but following systematic steps like these simplifies the process. Thanks for joining me today, and don't hesitate to return for more helpful tips on mastering TurboTax and conquering your tax preparation with confidence.